Hi students, I am Anushya. Today we are going to see a new topic that is very easiest one. We are going to see singular rules of singular and plural nouns. So we are going to see some rules that is more important that we are going to see now. Before that, you know what is singular noun and what is plural noun. Yeah, isn't it? You have studied in the last you have studied in the lower class. So let's see what is a single noun. When we talk about a single person, place or things or idea, single, so we can use the singular noun. For example, bird, apple, boat, etc. So that is singular noun. What is plural noun? That is when you are going to talk about two or more person. When we are going to talk about two or more person or things or idea, we will use plural noun. For example, birds, apples, cats, boats, etc. So while changing this singular noun to plural noun, we have to follow certain rules. Yeah, in this class we are going to see some rules. So let's see the rule first. First rule is base form. Base form means that is we have the same spelling for plural and singular noun. Same thing we have to use. We can use it for plural and singular and plural nouns. For example, sheep, fish, deer, moose, furniture, aircraft, means, news, scenery, people. These words can be used both for singular and plural nouns. Same spelling for singular and plural nouns. So second one is mutant plural form. That is we have to change in middle vowel. So we have to change the middle vowel. For example, food to feed. Before that, I have to say this mutant plural form is the most important. There is only seven things only there. So you have to memorize it and by heart this one. So for example, food, that double O is changed into double E. Food, feet, tooth, teeth, women, man, men, goose, geese, mouse, mice, loose and lice. So loose, what is the meaning of loose in Tamil? நம்ம தலையில் இருக்கும் பார்த்தீங்களா பேனு, yeah, that is only. So let's see the third rule, that the words ending in is changes to es. For example, hypothesis, hypothesis. So is changes into es. Oasis, crisis and cruises. So these are some examples. Let's see the fourth one, as changes into I. For example, the words ending in as changes into I. That is only cactus, cacti, fungus, fungi, syllabus, syllabi, radius, radii, genius, genie. These are some examples. Let's see the fifth one, changes into a. Bacterium, bacteria, medium, media. So curriculum, curricula. Sin forum and fora. These are some changes. Words ending in changes into a. Let's see the last one. Add es to the first word in the hyphenated words. This is also an important word. For example, passer by. Okay, wow. That first word is passer. So we have to add yes to this. So you can see this, passers by. Sister-in-law, sisters-in-law. Then brother-in-law. Wait a minute. Brother-in-law, brothers-in-law. Yeah. Runner-up and runners-up. You have to add es to the first word. First word you have to use es. Yes. So what are all things we have studied up to? First one is mutant, base form, and then is changes into es, as changes into I, changes into a, and yes, that is hyphenated word. So these are all things we have studied. So you can see this is changes into es. Yeah. Then this is your self work. Hi students, welcome to English class. In this session, we are going to see the remaining rules of singular and plural noun. The last session we had gone through some rules, isn't it? Yeah. Today we are going to see the rest of the rules. That let's see what we had studied in the last class. The last class we have studied some 6 rules, isn't it? That is irregular forms. That is the same words that for example same words used for singular and plural nouns. For example, sheep, fish. Yeah, that is. Then mutant plurals. As I said, it is an important one. There is only a 7 things. 7 things only are there. For example, food, feed. That means in middle vowel letter will be changing. So third one is the words ending in is changes into es for plural nouns. For example, thesis, es. As changed into I. Focus, foresee. For example, changed into a. So datum changes into a to have a plural form. Then last fourth one is yes, that is hyphenated words. That means first letter we have to change. First letter we have to add yes to form a plural noun. For example, brother-in-law changes into brothers-in-law. Yeah, let's see the next one. This one you know already. For example, added yes or es to the end of the singular noun. For example, boy for singular, we can use it for boys in plural noun. Girl, girls. Buffalo, buffaloes. Yeah, this is the first rule today. Then second one is the word ending with a transformed into ae. Alumina change into aluminae. Formula, formulae. Nebula, nebulae. Vertebra, vertebrae. Amoeba, amoebae. Then words ending in eau form their plurals by adding s or x. This is also an important. They are having 2 plural forms. For example, bureau, burex or burex, x. Tabla, tabulax. Plateau, plateaus, platex. Then words ending in x changes into ICES or ES to form a plural noun. Matrix, matrices. Index and indices and indexes. Then words ending in FE changes into VES. Knife, knives. Wife, wives. Life, lives. This is also an important one. Then some noun having 2 plural forms, that is medium, that they are having 2 plural forms. For example, in medium, for plural form, media and mediums. Stadium, stadia and stadiums. Curriculum, curricula and curriculums. Symposium, symposia and symposiums. Both the spellings are correct. You can use it, any one of it. Ultimatum, ultimata and ultimatums. Yeah, this is your book back exercise and this is your self work for you. This is the end of the singular and plural noun. So be thorough with both the classes. That means for Monday also, Monday and Thursday class. Be thorough. Thank you, students.